Hey guys, my name is Max and thank you for tuning into the channel. So we just checked into our room at the Walt Disney World Dolphin Hotel. This is part of the Swan and the Dolphin. And the room that we got is a resort view with 2 double beds. So I'm gonna go ahead now and get started with the tour. Okay, so this is room 2057. It's on the 2nd floor. And right here is the back of the front door. There's a light switch here for the main entryway light. There's a little additional security lock right here. There's also a deadbolt. And there's some important safety and security information on the back of the door here. There's also a peephole. Here's the closet. There's an ironing board with a luggage rack. You have your iron right there. There's also a safe. There's some hangers. And there's a little laundry bag for laundry service here if you want to do that during your stay. Let me see, there's a light right here that turns on this light. There's a coffee maker with some single serve coffee. It looks like they have regular, decaf. They have some tea, and they have some little packets with sugar and napkins and stirs and all that stuff. They give you 2 bottles of water, which is nice. Those are complimentary. Some glasses, a little ice bucket here, additional cups. Nothing down there. Oh, and there is a nice little makeup mirror here as well. Okay, let's go into the bathroom. All right, has one of those nice mirrors that lights up all around it. The light switch is right here. And they give you some additional glasses and cups. There's some Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin body lotion. They give you some hand wash, some washcloths. And then down here you have bath towels, a hair dryer, and some hand towels. It's a nice sink. I really like this backsplash here as well. There's a hand towel there. There's some outlets right there. And then there's a nice mirror on this door that takes you into the bathtub and the toilet room. So here's the toilet. Looks like there's a bath mat on top of the toilet here. Some nice artwork on the walls. There's some toilet paper right there. And it looks like a nice shower head with different settings. There's one of these so you can hang your wet clothes. It also has a bathtub, which is great if you have little kids. And on the wall here, you have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. There's a handle there and some spots for whatever else you're bringing into the bathtub. Okay. Over here, there's another towel bar. And then there's a hanger on the back of the door. And here's the light switch. Okay, oh, also there's a wastebasket right there. Okay, let's go into the main room here. Let me turn on some lights. Let me just pan around the main room for you. Okay. So this room has 2 double beds. Beds feel very comfortable. Has nice white linens. It looks like they give you 4 pillows. 2 of them are firm, 2 of them are soft. I always like that. Some nice artwork on the walls. Here's the thermostat right here. Up there you have a fire sprinkler and the smoke detector. And then on the bedside table, you have your phone, you have an alarm clock, this lamp, and I like that they give you some outlets and a USB charging port on the lamp. And there's nothing in there. There's a little notepad with a pen, and then they give you some telephone information for making calls here. And then there's a nice big TV. There's the remote right there. In here you have the fridge. Oh, and that's nice. They also give you 2 additional water bottles in the fridge. Some drawers. Oh, and here you have the Holy Bible and the Book of Mormon. Very nice. Okay. And there's that lamp. Here's the switch for the lamp. There's also an outlet and another USB charging port. There's some tissues right here. Another wastebasket. I really like this table here that you can roll around the room. It's nice. There's also a nice little chair you can sit in. There's another chair right here. And then you have this lamp, which you can turn off and on right here. And then there's some nice blackout curtains. Let me open these up. And then they did upgrade us to a resort view, which was very nice. So you can see the rest of the hotel and the water, and there's some boats that take you to the parks and the other resorts. Right over there is where it's docked. And let me just do one more pan around of the room from here. And then just one more right here, the window. Also, if you guys have little kids, you can request a crib and they'll deliver it to your room. So yeah, very happy with this room. It's very clean and modern. It's updated, and we'll definitely be enjoying our stay here. So just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon. Bye.